Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Today we are watching the next practical of the group policy management. The practical name is changing allow Logan local policies, and by using this practical you can log in your you can do Windows login your DC with your Windows login, not a as administrator password. That is the benefit of that practical. So first we can go with group policy management. Now this is the default domain policy. As we learned on a previous practical, there are two types of group policy: default domain and default domain control. But right now we have to perform login on our domain controller. So expand the domain controller and click on the default domain controller policies. Click on edit. Now go to the computer configuration, expand the policies, now expand the security Windows settings, expand the security settings, expand the local policies. Now click on the user right assignments. So on the right side panel you can show the allow logon locally. Now right click, click on the properties. Now these are the users which can directly log in on the allowed for a login locally, like administrators. These are the users. Now you can add your user here. Now, and we have created only one user right now. Tushar 19. My user is being added. Apply. Okay. Now click open the CMD GP update / force. Policy has been accepted. Now you can sign out this login. This is our normal administrator login. Every time we are logging with our DC with administrator, but now this time we are logging with our created user in Active Directory. Now you can simply log in with Tushar Prajapati. It will create the new profile in your PC, so it takes some time to log in. Now you can see the account has been logged with Tushar Prajapati. So this is our DC sys1.tus.com, but right now login with username Tushar. So this is the way for if you want to give some rights to your colleague in absence of in your office, so you can create this kind of login and give some access on your DC to perform the practicals. So that's it for today, and if you like video, then subscribe my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati, and press the bell icon. Will click on the all notification for next videos. Thanks for today.